Meteorologist Herbert City, it's a Big Daddy coming! Yeah! Oh my goodness gracious. You folks up there in the Northern Plains, Fargo, look out! You're gonna get crunched. Not crunched, buried in snow. Alright, surface map this morning. Snow's coming down the chute, coming down through Alberta, heading down toward Montana. No school tomorrow, kiddies up in Montana. Well, they go to school no matter what. Those guys are hardy up there. Those kids up there, they'll walk 10 miles to go to school in a blizzard. That's how hardy those kids are up in there, Montana kids. Montana kids are good kids. All right. Snow's coming down. It's going to go all the way down the front range of the Rockies, get its act together, and then head up in the Northern Plains here as a major snowstorm and blizzard conditions. Big Daddy type of snow up there. Man, wait till you see the snow amounts that are being predicted. I just can't believe it. I can't. All right, here's a satellite picture. ignore this stuff over here. Okay? Because that's the coastal storm. And that's coffee. Without coffee, I don't get wound up in the mornings. All right, so here's the storm up here, just coming down through BC. You can just see it up in here, you know. Oh, it's blue. And it'll come into the country here. I know I should have a different perspective, and I don't have a different perspective today. Sorry about that, but it's coming. And it's going to spread its love of snow through the plains. Here comes the snow storm by, I got the wrong one. There you go. By tomorrow morning, we got snow all the way through Montana. Okay, almost into Yellowstone, but yes, snow is already flying. Wind-driven snow, that is, and falling temperatures. Nasty outside. All right? My friend John Wallace, I talked about yesterday. He lives up here. He's the bug guy. Told him, said, you know, get your cocoon. It's going to get nasty. All right, this is one of those really nasty Arctic fronts coming through in October. What's going on here? All right, that's coming down by tomorrow morning. Just really nasty. No school up there tomorrow, kids, I guarantee you. And by Thursday morning, Denver's getting into snow. Bad rush hour time in Denver. Okay, yeah. Snow spreading all the way out through the plains. I-80's a mess through Wyoming and Nebraska. I-90 and 94 are going to be a mess up here across the Dakotas. Rapid City's going to have heavy snow. No school Thursday, guys, up in Rapid City. You guys, you know, presidential kids up there. No school up in there. Storm's going to start to develop out here. Severe weather's going to break out across the Plains State, Southern Plains by Thursday afternoon. We'll talk about that in a second. And then the storm's going to head on up by Friday morning. The blizzard really starts to get going across the Dakotas. It did shift a little bit to the west there. It does look like it's going to be over top of northern Minnesota now. It's kind of gone westbound. Looks like Fargo is going to be in the center of the action, you know. And then we get to Friday night. Full-fledged blizzard is underway through eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, and western parts of Minnesota. All right, a little bit of change over to snow all the way into Wisconsin there, just to make sure you guys know that it's wintertime coming. Thunderstorms will be up and down the front. There'll be some thunderstorms with the storm. Don't be surprised there's some thunderstorms even back into the cold air with this here, but that's a blizzard. That's a Big Daddy by Friday. It's amazing. All right, how much snow is going to fall? Well, I got to talk about this too. This is today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, severe weather. Probably severe weather is going to occur all the way up, depending on how much moisture we get, all the way up into Iowa. But there's probably going to be some tornado activity as well. This is a big trough coming, and thunderstorms will probably snuggle all the way up into the Midwest with the storm. Okay, but this looks like the worst area right now will be down there. All right, how much snow is going to fall? This is the western look here. Generally anything from 1 to 9 inches of snow, depending on what elevation you are in. But light snows are coming down the front range of the Rockies. I'm going to ignore you guys for a second. All right, but through Montana, Wyoming into northern Colorado, generally 1 to 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches of snow coming down, enough to make your mornings horrible, enough to make your day go, ugh, really? It's only October. All right, then look at this. This gets worse. All right, then the big snow starts to develop, comes on out through South Dakota, heads on up. Look at this. What? 44 inches. If there's 44 inches of snow, I'll be. This has like 3 feet of snow. Now remember, this is 10-to-1 ratio snow, okay, and it's going to blow all over the place there. So, you know, there might be up to 3 feet of snow. I think it's generally a 1 to 2 feet snowstorm. I think some of these snow amounts are a little unrealistic on the models because it's 10-to-1 ratio. The ratios might not be that high. They might go through change over time, everything else. But, it's always fun to throw them out there and look at it. And everybody goes crazy because they see those big snow amounts there. And then there's going to be mass flying all over Twitter land. And everyone's going to go nuts. But in any case, this storm is going to shut down things up here through the northern plains because it's so early. Trees are going to be damaged by it. Any trees have leaves still on it. I'm not sure how the leaves are still up there, but I would imagine looking out the window here, I still have leaves on, so we're going to have some tree damage. Power lines, power outages going to occur as well. Just nasty up here in Fargo land, Bemidji, all the way down into Sioux City. Even Sioux City, I would getting some snow out of this, but even all the way through Bismarck and those areas, this whole area right here just going to get pummeled. If you're traveling across I-90 and I-94 up here, expect the road to be shut down. I would imagine with this kind of storm, both these interstates up here will probably be shut down due to the amount of snow that's coming and the wind-driven snow, and they just can't keep up with the operations up there because it's too early in the season, and most likely they're just starting to run to get the plows on the dot trucks right now. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. Really nasty Big Daddy. This is going to be the Big Daddy, the beginning of the Big Daddy winter. All right. Imagine seeing that in the eastern part of the country. All right, that's it for today. I'm meteorologist Henry Marcus City.